Spent the day at the park. You had a great hike. It's a beautiful day, but the sun is starting to fall, and you want to make sure you get a good meal in for dinner before it's too dark. So, what's my motto? Yeah, no need to eat poorly on the road. And tonight, we are not eating poorly at all. We're doing something unique and something fun. We're doing seared miso glazed octopus with grilled vegetables. I think this is going to be something that's unique, something that's going to be fun, something that's going to be delicious, and if you're adventurous, something you can do on the road as well. So prepping for this dish started actually a couple of days ago when I took my octopus, which I got at a local grocery store that was frozen, and defrosted it in some water in my sink. Once it was defrosted, I cleaned it out. And then I boiled some salted water and dipped the octopus in it, and then cooked it for about 25 minutes. Until it was fork tender. Pre-prepping the octopus is definitely the key for this. I talk about it all the time, getting your mise en place ready before you come out on the road. In addition to prepping the octopus, I chopped up my vegetables, cleaned off everything so that when I got here, all I really have to do is cook and make the glaze. So I'm using my Coleman stove for this particular recipe. I'm going to heat up 2 pans to cook this because I'm going to need both of them. So into the pans, I put a little olive oil and butter. Next, I'm going to add the octopus. Some salt and pepper and a little garlic powder into one pan. And in the other pan, I'm going to add a little bit more butter and start getting that ready for the vegetables. All right, time to get those vegetables in. I'm using a little baby bok choy, some zucchini, some mushrooms. Going to get it into the pan with that butter. Add in a little soy sauce with that. And then I'm going to add in some minced garlic, and while I'm at it, might as well throw a little into the octopus as well. I'm going to finish off the vegetables with a little mirin. I'm going to stir that up, and then I'm going to cover it. And because I don't have a cover for this particular pan, I'm just using some tin foil. Now it's really time to get after the octopus. I'm going to add some rice wine vinegar, some mirin, a little soy sauce, and then some miso paste. gonna turn down the heat after that, cover it, and let that cook for a while. And then that's pretty much it. Simple, easy, and tasty. Everything is now done cooking. Time to plate it up and see how this meal turned out. Voila, there you have it. Miso glazed octopus with some vegetables grilled in my cast iron skillet. Let's taste it. The vegetables are perfect. The octopus is tender. And it tastes great. I know octopus can be a little scary, but if you prep it right, if you do it right, it turns out to be a great, different kind of protein to have. I love octopus. I lived in Japan for a little while. I enjoyed it there. I enjoy it stateside, and there's several different ways you can make it. This one on the road makes you feel like you're chefing it up, and it's something truly special. I'll put a link to how you do all of this down below, and then of course you can find all of the information over on my website. But chef it up, take care of yourself when you're out on the road. I think you'll really enjoy your experience that much more. Hey, that's gonna do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJEDEYE. And then of course you can follow me on my website at RVJEDEYE.com. Get out there, enjoy yourself, eat something special on the road. You really deserve it. We'll see you next time.